Hey, my name is Melvin. You're watching this video because you're hosting a client meetup and you're looking for a fun activity or icebreaker idea to actually get people to connect and engage. One of the biggest issues that we see at events is that people tend to hang out in cliques or they tend to network with people they already know. Here's a fun icebreaker idea that you can try for your next event, and here's how it works. It's called Jam Bingo. The way it works is at your event, you're going to put up a Jam Bingo QR code, and people are going to walk into your event, and then you're going to direct them to scan the code. When they scan it, they're going to get a question on their phone. And the question could be something like, find somebody wearing the same shoe size as you, or challenge someone to share one piece of advice that changed their life this year. And it could be super fun, it could be super silly, or it could be like a super deep professional question. But the whole idea is now everybody in the room is going to have their own question. And now they're going to have to walk around the room to find somebody else who can answer their question. Because when they find somebody who can answer their question, they're going to connect with that person on the app, and it's going to allow them to unlock the next question. And the whole goal behind Jam Bingo is for you to complete all your questions. And that's where the magic comes in. Because you as the organizer can customize and add your own set of questions, so that way it gets people talking around the theme or topic relating to your particular event. And it's really fun because it gives people an excuse to walk up to somebody they don't know and be like, hey, my question is, challenge someone to name 3 countries that start with the first letter of the first name. And then they get talking and it breaks the ice, and it could open up the door to new conversations that would have never happened without this game. And it's super fun and super easy to get started with, that people naturally, once they get talking, it becomes really hard to get them to stop. In fact, it's going to get your introverts talking as if they're extroverts. It's going to get the people who are usually at the back or usually in the corners of the room, it's going to get them moving around and actually jumping into circles, starting conversations. It's going to be a game changer for your client meetup. So this is something that's you're looking to do for your next event. I highly recommend you definitely check out Jam Bingo because it would be a game changer for your event. And that's the icebreaker idea I wanted to put you guys on. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you try Jam Bingo and you love it for your event, let us know how it goes in a comment below. Please do subscribe for more videos like these. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. Okay, Melvin out.